This is Mochi. She's taking an exam for her driver's license, as you can see. She's really nervous.
She's actually a backseat driver. She yells at people when they make a wrong turn.
Yeah.
Like, go left. Oh!
Yeah.
Go right.
She's wearing her U-Dog sunglasses. And Mochi, come over here.
She's shaking the car.
And
Over here.
right now she isn't going anywhere. We decided to make her stop driving. She almost killed most of us. We're still alive. Like me, see.
She actually parked the car pretty well.
Yeah. Pretty well. Wheels are at a slight turn, but yeah. Click a like and send a video description of your dog driving a car too.